Jared here from Jack Carter Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC. Does your vehicle have hail damage? If so, I will pay your deductible so we can get your vehicle fixed and pay you full trade value towards any of our most popular models, like the all-new next generation Chevy Cruze for a low lease payment of $110 bi-weekly with zero down. Even if you owe money on your current vehicle, we will pay it out and possibly lower your payments. Jack Carter Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC. Trigger, I said hail, not hay.